The Make It campaign began in 2006. It's delivered by the Manufacturing Institute, and essentially it's an image campaign that's all around encouraging more young people to pursue careers in the manufacturing sector. The way that we do that is by organising lots of one-day enterprise challenges. Today we're at our event, which is sponsored by our friends from Rolls-Royce and the Northwest Aerospace Alliance. It's the final after 5 separate individual heats. We've had the top 2 teams from each event participating in today's challenge, and what we're asking the young people to do is to look at ways to reduce the amount of mileage that food has to travel to get to their local supermarkets and their local shops. Within that, we're incorporating some of the thrust technology that's used by Rolls-Royce at their local site in Barn Aldwick. The pupils are just getting started at the day. They seem to be really engaging with the task. There's a real sense of competition in the air, and I'm really looking forward to hearing what their ideas are at the end of the day.
We're Stretford Grammar School, and we're making it an unmanned vehicle that can float and can drive. And it's run by solar-powered, wind-powered, and when it's in the water, it can use buoyancy, so it runs power through that as well.
The Northwest Aerospace industry is one of the biggest in the world, and it's home to a lot of successful companies that have some really fantastic career options for young people. However, this isn't always the way that it's been perceived. So the Northwest Aerospace Alliance launched the Take Off in Aerospace campaign to promote these fantastic career options throughout the region. So events like today and working with the Make It campaign are how we hope to achieve this, and what we want to do is inspire young people and create the next generation of aerospace talent.
I mean, they're typical Year 9s. They're full of enthusiasm for the future. They're coming to a very key stage of their education where they start to pick their options. You can quite clearly see a number of them have a particular bent towards engineering and an interest in engineering and technology, and I think that can only add to not only this event but to companies like Rolls-Royce that we encourage that.
I thought manufacturing was a dirty job where people just work in factories, but I realised that there's a lot more money in it, and there are high executive jobs and things like that.